me back here. I just been making stop motions and it's Friday, so video time. What's up with the light? I'll edit it. Big thanks to you guys who built it and who watched my video, and even if any of you just subscribe. I'm not done working on my channel, so I haven't checked yet. Need to work on it, and yeah, for some reason it's not working. I know why, but gonna have to fix all that, and yeah. I'm really sorry about the light. I'll edit it, but as you can see, we've been sorting my Legos. Yeah, I've been sorting my Legos. And over here we've got Snot and some other drawers in there. I'm gonna try to get all those into these. And those over there. You know. Try to guess what we're talking about today. It has our Microbuilds. Tell me if you got right. So I have a few Microbuilds, and I will show you them and how to build them, along with some tips for building. So I've got castle, museum, and Big Ben. Hopefully this video is better than the first, because it wasn't very good. I'm sorry that I didn't know how to turn it, but I figured it out later. So just let me take it apart, and I can show you how to build first Big Ben. As you can see, it's just like that. Tree, house, Big Ben. Not perfectly to scale, but just let me take it apart. Okay, I'm here. First, we're gonna build Big Ben. I'll show you the pieces you're gonna need. Because this is a small build. In bigger builds, I won't show you the pieces. So you're gonna need 2 of these modified brick pieces. Brick 1x2 bricks. That's what I'm gonna call them. I don't know why. I'm just gonna call them 1x2 bricks because they're bricks usually. 1x2 beveled brick is what you call it, and these are all in Nuket. Nuket is this weird color. I have a 1x1 in that color, but that's for the tree. You can do your tree differently, of course. We have a 1x2 jumper plate in dark brown, and a clock, and hopefully you have one of these in Nuket, or brown or tan would be better, but I have one in yellow. So this is how you put it together. Let me show you. That's how you build that. Pretty basic. Take your base plate. I'm using a 2x8 base plate, and you can just put your Big Ben right there. Now we'll do the tree. I'm not going to do a time lapse for these two because there's just 2 pieces. Nuke it 1x1 and leaf piece. Put it together. Yeah, the tree. I like to put it right there. You can display these on here however you want. You could even build a whole entire city. You don't have to follow these instructions. Then we have little micro house, just 2 pieces. Pretty simple. And next I'll be showing you how to build the mini castle. And then this I'm not going to show you how to build, but I'll show you some of the techniques I used to build it and some tips. So, here we go. So, for the front of the castle, I got a stack of 1x2s, 2, and a stack of 1x1s, 2 1x1s. And it did this. Just do a mix of tan and nougat, and that'll look good. You can do the same thing on the other side, just mix it up. I even used a brick on here. Same thing, just mirror them. Actually, you don't have to mirror them. They're exactly the same. And then you're going to take a 1x4 arch, snap that on the front. That's the front of it. And then you're going to take one of these windows and just put it right in there. And now I'll show you the rest of the castle. So what I did for the rest of the castle is, I'll show you on here. I got a corner piece in tan, and then it don't have to be tan, it can be nougat, and then 2 1x2s on top. And you're gonna do that twice again. And then right here, you can use 2 1x4s or whatever you have, but just make sure it's this tall, 2 bricks tall, the height, and then just a 2x4 on top. Then you can take a brick and take these assemblies and just put them on here. I forgot how they go. They go like this. Yeah, no. Let me figure this out. Oh, they go this way. Okay. What? Why is this backwards? Okay, make sure you don't put your bricks backwards. And then you'll do the same thing on the other side. Got that. Then, just the front of the castle on there. And you're done with your castle. I think I did a pretty good job on it. So we can just put this in. Take the front of the castle and put it on here. And then take your castle, your back castle, and put it right there. And then I just put a little field with some houses. That's this one. Right here I'm building something for the next video. Try to guess what that is. And this thing has something to do with I bet you'll never guess that. I got my flash camera over here. Don't worry. I might destroy one of these with it. I should do that. I'm gonna do this in today's episode. So for these stairs, it's kind of crazy. Let me show you real quick. So what I did for the stairs is it involves cheese slopes and these bricks. They're like Technic bricks, I would say, almost. I've incorporated these into Technic stuff before. It's hard, but it's possible. So let me just, I'll show you a picture of what I did. Hopefully you understood that. It's just some cheese slopes and 3 of these, I don't know. And you just, here, let me show you. What you need to do is you take this side of the bricks and put them this way, so then there's stairs. And to tell you the rest of my tips, use hinges and lots of snot bricks, or a snot brick, to give it tiny details. Like, I don't know what that is, but it's something. Technic bricks always give it holes and things, and even like giant, like minifigure scale stuff, like this Harry Potter, I forgot what they're called. But this Harry Potter dragon, it's perfect for this micro scale sculpture. It's pretty much all my tips. Make sure they're tiny, but Microbuilds are nice. They're not taking up a lot of pieces and space, but they're still really cool. And yeah. And I'll show you a quick speed build of me taking this thing apart and putting it back together, just in case you want to build it. And by the way, so what I mean is, why did I say it like that? Why did I say it like so? Here, let me play that lots of times.
Whoa.
Now let's do this. So what? Okay. Hopefully that helped you out, and I have a build challenge for you. Of course, there's always this that you can build, but that's Master Builder Challenge is that. But I have just a build challenge for every one of you that should be pretty easy for you. Get it? Build a micro scale pyramid. I want you to show me your pictures. Just comment down below. This is mine. I think it looks pretty good. One time my mom thought my dog ate this, but it's a Dementor cape, so it never did. Well, that's today's video. Our next video will be on Monday, and it's going to be on that project I'm working on that has something to do with ice cream. Tell me if you're liking my video so far. As always, subscribe, and yeah, goodbye. And have a great day. Okay, guys. So, I've got my sledgehammer, and I've got this. First, we're gonna smash this. Just let me move this real quick. So, as you can see, I have my big bag and my sledgehammer. So, are you ready for this? I'm sorry if the phone falls over. Okay, nothing happened. I missed it. Let's do this again. Okay. You ready? Oh! Something happened. Where's Big Ben? Well, Big Ben is completely intact, but and it just fell off. So okay, so now we're just going to put this on here and see if we can destroy it anymore. That was fun. Okay, you ready? I am ready. Nothing happened. Okay, let's do our next one, the castle. I'm not gonna do the museum because I don't think I can rebuild it. But we will do the castle because I can build that. So I'll put it for your view and you can see it perfectly. Should we smash it? I'm scared. But I'm ready. Here we go. Okay, I completely missed it. I'm really bad with my aim. I'm sorry. Okay, we'll do it this time. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Pieces of the castle got destroyed. Cool. Okay, this is a success. We did it. Let's destroy more. Okay, this is the last time we're gonna do it, okay? And if it misses, I'm sorry. 3, 2, 1. My sledgehammer didn't break. It doesn't even have like, it has scratches, of course, but it doesn't even have a loose connection. Oh yeah. Okay, that was a success. That was awesome. Goodbye.